Anycubic and Creality. The Creality is not a multicolor, yes. I want to speak how reliable they are in terms when you put something to be printed and what you can expect when you come back after 2 hours. In terms of that, believe it or not, the Creality is workhorse. I mentioned that a few times. This printer is amazing. I'm really sad because Creality didn't implement the same system on the new Creality Hi, which I don't say that is bad, just I think that this is more reliable on long run. Anycubic, good printer, but with a lot of problems and software bugs. They are resolving those. It is pretty good printer right now, but still there are some problems. I'm getting some weird artifacts from time to time which cannot be explained, and the next time you have the amazing print, not so reliable, you need to keep an eye on it. Creality, on the other hand, this model is a workhorse, at least for me. After nearly 1000 hours of print time, check out this print test cube. Looks really good. Quite a complicated print with PETG, keep that in mind. So minimal artifacts, really nice. In other hand, Anycubic is causing always some problems. I mean, I had a print which failed, you see here, last night. You probably know the adhesion problems. I fixed that with manual Z offset from the slicer, but overall, if you're looking between these two and you are not experienced to fix the problems, upgrades, just go with Creality. If you're experienced, go with Anycubic because you get more for less money, but when you calculate the time needed for everything, just buy Creality. Let me know what you think. See ya.